point down.
By Bacolod Taitung High School. Their players, jersey number 1, Ana Isabel Armasula. Jersey number 2, Alexa Bertolano. Jersey number 4, Shannon Rose Pula. Jersey number 6, Rose Yang Almendra Leo. Jersey number 12, Zelmer Faith Bangyao. Jersey number 13, Janine Maya. Jersey number 14, Luce Vivero. Jersey number 16, Miguel Julian Letran. Jersey number 17, Daniel Ann Saloria. Jersey number 18, the team captain, Brianna Nicola Ang. Jersey number 19, Marceline Banyas. Jersey number 9, Julie Ann David. And their head coach, Sir Romel Taninias. Assistant coach, Sir Abraham Cadilinia. And the chaperone, Ma'am Julie Ann Sabmonte. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to the queen of the volleyball secondary court. From Team Bacolod City, the Bacolod Taitung High School. Again, they will be representing our region, the Negros Island region, for the upcoming Palarong Pambansa. Congratulations, girls, and we hope that you will be able to bring home the
Ma'am, sana ka ba? Eh! Ma'am, hindi ka nakitalon.